From World of Concrete 2018 at the Las Vegas Convention Center, Aaron Kleingartner is with Doosan North America. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Roger.
Nice to see you once again.
Well, another year here.
Another year,
right
and here we go.
Yes.
Well, tell us what you brought to the show this year. You guys always have something new to feature.
We've got a couple machines at the show. We got a new wheel loader, a DL280-5. It's a new model in our lineup. It's a new size class for us that we haven't had a machine for in the past. We've also got an excavator, a reduced tail swing excavator that works great for the concrete industry, especially on infrastructure projects where you're working in a roadway and you want to minimize the impact to moving traffic. So those are our two machines that we are showcasing today. The show just opened and we're excited to talk to customers about them here.
Well, the DL285, you say it brings a new class to your lineup. And what exactly does that mean? Does that put it between other machines currently in existence?
Correct. So it fits between our 250 and our 300. Okay. And so it's a 3.7 yard cubic loader, where in the past we haven't had a machine kind of in that range. So it fits a gap that we had in the past. And we're excited to be able to offer customers the opportunity to see that machine later this spring when we officially launch and introduce it.
So you're just launching it this spring. It's brand new to the marketplace.
Correct. This is one of two machines we have available right now. The others are starting down the production line, so they'll be ready for customers to get their hands on later this spring.
Sure.
We're hoping, targeting the end of May.
Well, tell us about the excavator that you've also unleashing here.
So the excavator we have here is a machine that's in our current lineup, and it's a machine we've had for a few years. It's a reduced tail swing, like I said. We've also got it configured with our optional rubber track pads. So anytime you're working on an improved surface, steel tracks can sometimes damage that surface.
Damage it, certainly.
The rubber track pads help to minimize that damage, and we've got it paired with a breaker. So it's an ideal combination for any rework that you need to do on a city street or a interstate highway.
Now these track pads, are they something that, say, a contractor can interchange on a site or something if you wanted to?
So the version that we have here today is an actual pad that bolts right to the chain of the track. We also offer as a add-on a pad that you bolt to the current grouser of a steel track.
Okay.
So we've kind of give the operator or the contractor the chance to choose how they want to configure their machine.
Right. Depending on what the conditions are they're going to be working under.
Yep.
Well, that's neat. It's interesting that you say it's coming online and you're going to bring it this spring. Give me a little idea of what the R&D is to bring one of these machines to the marketplace.
You know, it takes a pretty significant effort to, determine what the customer needs and translate that into a feature and resulting use case on the machine. And so usually a product like this takes 18, 24 months to develop and get out to customers to test and try and make sure it's what we set out to meet their needs with. And then once you start into production, you roll through it. So it can be a pretty extensive process to find and validate the needs and make sure it works right.
Takes all sorts of hands working together as a team.
There's so many people behind the scenes that put a lot of hours into designing and building the machines that we get a chance to sell. So
absolutely. Well, folks, I sure want to invite you to stop by the Doosan exhibit here at World of Concrete 2018. See Aaron and his folks over there, and certainly, do you have a model on site?
We do.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Kick the tires of that
baby.
Kick
the tires, sit in.
That new DL285. And check it out, the excavator as well.
Yes, absolutely. Stop on by. We're ready. The show just opened. So
there you go. Check them both out. Aaron Kleingartner.
Thank you, Roger.
Always a pleasure, sir.
You as well. I appreciate it.
Thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely.
Have a good show.
Every year.
Every year.
All right.
Okay.
You too.
Good to see you. From World of Concrete 2018.